I just created a decrease in row 32, and this is what the decrease is going to look like. You're still going to see the 2 stitches that were made. However, one of these stitches up here are going to be missing. We're going to be working with to create our decrease. So we're going to start off with how we normally make a TR, except for we're not going to finish it off. So we're going to yarn over, and we're going to find our stitch over, and we're going to go put our hook into the stitch. And now we're going to yarn over and pull through. There are now 4 loops on your hook. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops as if we were doing a regular TR stitch. And now we have 2 loops on the hook, but we're not going to finish this stitch. We're going to make our decrease. So now we're going to yarn over twice, and then we're going to insert our hook into our next stitch. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we're going to yarn over again and pull through 2 more loops. Now there should be 3 loops on our crochet hook. Now we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through all 3 loops. And as you can see, we still have the 2 stitches from here, our posts. However, one of the stitches that was up here is now missing. And that's how you make TR2 together decrease.